What's up, y'all? Nina Pop here. So today we are going to try our hand at making some body butter, which is similar to lotion, but I think it's made with like more oils and it's heavier. I don't know, but it worked better and it lasts longer. So anyway, I have my little handy dandy recipe book here, and it says cocoa butter here, and I got two of them because I wasn't sure which one will work the best, but we're gonna see. So I have that, also some organic shea butter, as well as some coconut oil and some almond oil. I don't have almond oil, so I'm not gonna use that, but we're gonna use everything else, and let's mix these ingredients together and get started. This kitchen kind of small, so I'm gonna do my best to show things with the little bit of counter space that I have here, and hopefully this will help you create your own body butter naturally. All right, let's mix all this stuff together. All right, so I got the coconut oil and I'm gonna put that into the bowl. Also, with your ingredients, you want to use about the same amount with everything. So I'm gonna now add the cocoa butter. Oh, and this is how it looks. It smells really chocolatey. I don't know if y'all know that, but it does. So I'm adding that to the coconut oil. Okay, so now we're gonna just add some shea butter to the mix. So this is what it looks like. So the way you can melt this down is by using a heat resistant bowl and putting it on top of a pot like a double boiler, or actually using a double boiler. You can also use a metal bowl and put it on the top as well, metal, glass, stuff like that. But I actually do have this bowl here, and it does say it's microwave safe, but I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna survive this heat. So I'm gonna actually do a water bath. So I'm gonna boil my water, put it into a glass bowl that's big enough, and then just sit this in it and let it melt that way. So we're not quite there, but we're almost there. We just wanna make sure that it's completely melted and all these lumps are completely out. So I'm gonna put it back in the water bath. Now, this is what we have. So now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about an hour or two to get it back to a solid state. So now that it's in its solid form, we're gonna take the mixer and we're gonna just mix it. This part I'm not gonna be able to show because the plug is all the way over here. So I'll be right back. This is a great place if you wanted to start adding in essential oils. This will be the part where you do it, and then just get it to the smell that you want it to be, and then continue whipping. The finished product, not very appetizing if you were planning on selling this, but since it's just for me, it will do. I would say I probably would have added a little bit more cocoa butter if I wanted more of that chocolatey scent, and I guess if I wanted it thicker, I probably would have added more shea butter than I did coconut oil. So that's something to keep in mind, but for me this was perfect. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, let me know.